What do you get with a fast horse and a pair of 45s? Find out in this story from Horse 45s.
I'm Rochelle. I'm here in Tombstone, Arizona, cowboy mounted shooting.
My name is Mark. It's Austin out here.
I've been shooting consistently for about 6 years.
When I first started shooting, this was my very first shoot I came to. Coming here with not even being a horseman at all, from having zero horsemanship or any riding experience and going riding, it was horrible to see. Horrible feeling, but after doing it, it was so fun. It's addicting sport. We're doing the mounted shooting over here today. We also have ground shooting over here as well. So they're doing another competition or a practice today, and they're basically shooting the same kind of guns that we're shooting. They actually have lead in theirs though, and they're hitting small targets. So they're doing it all off the ground, and we're doing it off the horses.
Tell us what's going on here. What's Rochelle doing for you?
I have to get ready to go run my stage here in a minute, so I'm gonna start getting ready, but she's getting my horse out, getting it bridled. I need to get my guns and my chinks on. So we'll start doing that here. Kind of explain a little bit more about what we got going on.
Stop eating me, you monster.
So everybody, when we do cowboy mounted shooting, we have to dress attire. So it has to be cowboy shirts. We have to wear long sleeves, buttoned up at the cuffs. Have to wear pants, boots, all that kind of stuff.
Rochelle, what's going on with the horse? Is he set to go or what?
He is. This is Mark's horse, Huck. Well, Huckleberry, but we call him Huck. He's a good guy.
How long you been using this horse, Mark?
This was actually the very first horse that we purchased. Rochelle was at a competition before. I wasn't even shooting then. She was at Worlds competing in Amarillo, Texas, and this horse was for sale down there when he was
4 years old.
4 years old.
He'd only been doing the sport a couple months.
She had called me and told me that she had found the perfect horse for me. And we ended up buying the horse, and literally 2 weeks later when she got home from Worlds,
We're here.
we came here
Let's shoot.
and I literally didn't even know how to put a saddle on a horse when I did this sport. I didn't know how to put a bridle in the horse's mouth, none of this stuff. I'm getting ready to put my gun belt on right now. Like I said, we're shooting 45 long Colts, single actions. There's lots of different styles of holsters. I prefer this one here. Both 45s here. Pull one gun, shoot 5 targets, and then pull my second gun and shoot the other 5 targets.
How was he gonna do, buddy?
What do you think? We're gonna nail it.
You guys gonna rock it out there?
Him and his rider only have one speed.
We also get to see friends from all over the country that they're pretty much family to us. We see them more than our real family sometimes. So they are family.
It's true. Yeah.
So we have a great time, and like the people in the sport are so friendly. This is like one of the only sports I know that if your horse comes up lame one day, they'll literally give you their horse to run on. If your gun breaks, they'll let you borrow their guns, their holsters. Rochelle's using a breast collar right now because she doesn't have hers with her here.
I borrowed one, yes.
So, I mean, this is one of the nicest sports that people compete in that will literally give you the shirt off the back that they need to.
Good luck, Mark.
.043, that is our new overall fast time.
What horse do you use?
I use my horse Bear over here. He's my main horse. He's 22, going to be 22 years old. So he's been in the sport a long time. Bear is a quarter horse. His sire was a race horse, so he's pretty athletic, he's pretty fast, and he has taken me from a ladies level 1 beginner to a 4, and I need one more win to be a 5. So he's been my main horse the whole time.
How'd you get into horses?
I was born into it. My mom had horses. We bred and showed and raised babies, and then I saw this in a magazine one day. My trainer and friend, Kenda, lived in the same state as me, and I saw her in a magazine and said, I want to do that.
Your outfit and your horse and everything seems to match. Tell us about all that.
It does. It's kind of something that I carried over from showing. So I like blingy, and it's not traditional cowboy, but it fits me and my personality. I have a mounted shooting saddle that I had custom made quite some time ago now, and it has crystals on it. Stirrups have crystals. I just like to be different and sparkly. So I make mounted shooting chinks, not just for shooters, but mostly shooters, and chaps. My mom used to make all my show clothes, and she created a business called Riding High USA, making leather dresses for rodeo queens and horse show jackets and outfits. And she didn't really like to make the chaps, but she did, and it was something that I was interested in, and making them different than what I could purchase, so I started making them myself.
What's the difference between chaps and chink?
Chaps are full length, so they're going to go from your hip all the way down. Sometimes they're a little longer, and chinks usually stop about here and then have fringe, so they are more loose fitting. Chaps going to be more form fitting. I have my chinks and then Mark's chinks. These are mine, and these are pretty sparkly. Very sparkly. The idea I had for these was a lot of times in indoor arenas it's really dark. So I made these so that they would be super sparkly and noticeable. It's a cowhide suede with a sparkly print on it. Rhinestones, of course, for added sparkle. They're blingy, like me. And I have a men's pair. These are a little more traditional, but still flashy. These are a hair-on hide. Hair-on hide is where the hair of the cow is still intact. They can dye them different colors, make them metallic, but this is actually a natural brindle cowhide.
Do you see anybody wearing your work around here?
All the time. It used to be I had a couple people that wore them, and now it's every time I turn around I see people, so it's exciting.
Do you remember each pair when you see them?
Yes. Yes. And there's hundreds.
So you have like a personal relationship with every one of these?
Sometimes, yes, sometimes.
Does anybody help you put them together?
Yes, Mark does the sewing.
Keeps us all in stitches.
Mark, how'd yours go?
It went pretty good. It was clean.
Yeah?
Decent run. Get these guys a little break for the next stage. We'll be good to go.
I just kind of wanted to take it easy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It was a good smooth run.
Slower, but it was smooth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mark and Rochelle are great examples of how to live life on your own terms and be a great friend along the way. I'm sure you enjoyed getting to know them. Write us a comment if this type of story would be good in a documentary. And please hit subscribe to help us get there.